You're a rich girl, and it's gone too far, 'cause you know it won't matter anyway. You can rely on your old man.
After an easy and quick installation, all you need to do to turn the light on and off is the press of one button. This light also allows for you to adjust the brightness between 10% to 100%. You can adjust the brightness to a level that is comfortable for your eyes just by holding down the button. This light also has a memory feature which will remember the last setting it was used when you turn it on again.
Hey guys, how's it going? Today we have this little vase with, or a vase with a little plant in it. Just a nice little decorative piece, very well made. Let your home bloom. It's handmade, so this is extra nice. You know, it's like a ceramic, super nice, and it's got stones on the inside. Makes it look and feel like it's an actual real piece. So just a very nice decorative piece. Like I said, if you're looking for a nice decorative piece that you don't have to water and you don't have to worry about, definitely give this a shot. Like I said, super nice, and comes in a variety of different colors. For the vase, actually, just a nice piece, and let your home bloom.